Hello mga sis! It's me again, Shiro J. Ayan, so for today's video ay naligo na talaga ako guys para kinabukasan ay mag-aayos na lang ako, magpa-plansya ng hair kasi maaga kami aalis bukas. Ayan, so yan, nakapantulog na ako guys. I'm ready na tomorrow. Oh my God. Totoo ba this? Alam niyo ba guys, pangarap ko talaga magpunta sa Siargao. Ayan, so next target is Boracay. Ayan, so oh my God. So, ayan guys, magpapahinga na tayo kasi maaga tayo bukas. So, maaga ako magpe-prepare kasi magbe-breakfast kami bago umalis. Kumbaga, tipid tayo guys. Ayan. So, ayan. Update ko na lang kayo bukas guys. Good morning everyone. Bye Manila, see you Siargao.
To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push ends to buckle.
We just arrived here.
Thank you.
Ayan mga sis, we just arrived here at Sea Sky Resort. Ayan. Ayan mga sis, so sasamahan niyo po ako kasi itutour ko kayo guys. So wala po mag-video sa akin kaya ako na lang. So this is our room. Ayan. Room 305. Ayan. So, we just open this.
You're so funny, man. Anika, this is for you. Oh, cute. Oh, small slipper.
So, after you enter, this is our bathroom. Ayan.
Alam mo na bayad ko dito.
Yan, bongga yung, and then the mirror.
Anika.
Outfit check. Top from Hati Diary, and the pants is from TikTok Shop. And the belt is from Baclaran, charot. And then there's a hanger. And another mirror. Ayan, this is the bed. Ayan. And then there you're gonna see the pool area. Bongacious. Balik lang namin guys, nag-dinner kami nag-lunch kami sa Carinderia and pahinga lang muna and mamaya update ko kayo. It's swimming time! Say hi!
Hi!
This is their pool, guys. Dito lang yung kaya namin. Hindi masyado malalim. Kasi that part ay lagpas sa akin, guys. Ayan. So, cause I'm not all taller, you know. I'm short. Ano daw?
Oh my gosh!
Oh my God, what's happening?
It's Arnold!
That's do like that. So that's why the dirty cat go there. Go ahead.
Oh my gosh!
Ayan mga sis, so nandito ako nagda-dry ng aming mga basa kasi nga nag-swimming kami, diba? Ayan, so ita-dry ko din to guys. Ang ganda dito kasi may dryer sila. Outfit check! We're going to outside, guys. Magdi-dinner.
Ano ba yung taga-bundok ka? Wala yan sa bundok.
It's me, Annika.
So, before I end this vlog, meron po akong i-meet na friend here in Siargao. So, i-meet natin siya. Let's go. Ayan lang, guys. Nag-usap na kami sa baba. So, ito yung pictures namin, guys. Na picture lang. Actually, guys, dating nanilid. Basta ganun, guys. Dito pa kami talaga nagkita sa Siargao. But it's okay. We're just friends, you know. So, ayun, mga sis, dito ko natatapusin yung vlog na to. Hope you enjoy and abangan nyo yung part 2. Ayan, kasi magla-land tour kami. Hinihingal ako. Taas kasi yung namin, guys, 3rd floor. Ayan, so, thank you for watching and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye!